Hi friends, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For chicken curry, I am taking following ingredients, and first thing that I will be doing is cooking 4 cups of rice. When my rice is done, I'm going to use a fork to separate it so that it's easier for me to serve, as seen here. Now to cook my chicken curry, I'm taking boneless chicken and I will be using a non-stick pan with a wooden spatula. Ghee and oil is option, whichever one you want you can use. I'm using both, and I've got water here, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, cardamom seed as shown here, cinnamon, cilantro, ginger garlic paste. On the other side of the tray, I've got cumin seed, I've got black mustard seed, I've got turmeric powder and curry masala with oil and ghee and salt to taste. You can have more spices, depends on how you prefer. Okay. Or you can use powdered chili, but this is how I like it. Now first thing I'm going to do is fry my chicken in curry masala, turmeric powder, onion, ginger garlic paste in oil and ghee both, and I'm gonna fry it until it's brown just like that. When it's nicely brown, I'm gonna add water and I'm gonna cover it with the lid. You can see it, and I'm gonna reduce the sauce until it's nice and dry. You can see my chicken curry is ready. So this was a quick and easy chicken curry recipe. Hope you like it, and if you did like it, please do subscribe. Thank you.